Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I'm a professional graphic designer plus computer education expert. In this video with Adobe Illustrator, we're going to design this edge letter, which is going to look like a 3D, but we're not going to apply a real 3D effect on this letter. We're going to use this color, which is a gradient color. Let me show you the colors inside this panel with the gradient. If I double click, so you can see the first color and the second color. You should use the first color, a light one, and a darker for the second color. For this kind of colors, which is look like golden, you can use a dark background. Maybe you want to use a black background, then this is going to look really good. So I'm going to use this rectangle, and I'm going to draw this rectangle here. Let me remove the fill color. I'm going to use the direct selection tool to round this. Now I need to get the pen tool, and here I'm going to click by holding the shift key. I'm going to make the straight line. Get the selection tool, select everything, and align it. Let me increase the stroke. Now I need to get the shape builder tool, and here I'm going to select a color and click one here, and also click here. By holding the Alt key, I'm going to remove the extra lines from here. So this is it. We're done. Now I can make any letter from this, but before I'm going to make that, let me select this and remove the stroke to 0. First shape, select that, get the eyedropper tool, apply the color. Second shape, get the eyedropper tool, click to apply. Now I need to make some changes here for the gradient. For the first one, and let me select the second one and use this gradient, and I'm going to start just like this. Now it looks perfect. Now I can use this shape to make any letter, but I'm going to only make this H letter. I'm going to make it something like this. Let me Control Z, Control C, Control V to make a copy from this. Control V, another copy. What we are going to do for this edge, first we are going to align it. Right click, and here I'm going to rotate. We're going to rotate this something. Let's try it with 45 degrees. Not a good idea. 20. Let's preview this. Now it looks good, so we are going to hit OK. Now I'm going to get this shape. Now right click, and I'm not going to rotate that. We're going to do it manually. We're not going to set a value for that. Let me rotate this. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to group this by holding the shift key, Control G to group it. Now I'm going to rotate this a little bit more, and let me ungroup it. I need to fix something right here, like this. Let me select this. Now we need to align it. Okay, let me move this here. Control G, group it, and we're going to align it on the center of the artboard. So we're done here. The only thing that here we need to add is the background. If you want to add a background, then as I said, you have to add a dark background. Let me align this. So now I'm going to click here and change the background to black. Let me resize this. And also right click and send this to the back of the layer. So this is how we are making this kind of logo design. You can make any letter from this. You can make, maybe you want to make the T, you want to make the A letter. You can mess around with this shape. Maybe you want to make the X or something. Then easily you can make any letter that you want to. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.